How to lock Google Chrome browser on your PC. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you if you want to lock your or want to protect your Chrome browser with password, you can do it easily. So I'm going to show you in this video tutorial. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comment below. So let me open the browser first. So guys, this is my browser. If you want to lock your Chrome browser, there is a extension you can use from web store. Okay, for that you need to go in web store, just type here web store, and this link will be open from Chrome browser. This is your official site from Google Chrome. Okay, and here you can search, click the extension tab and search here lock Chrome. Just search these terms and you can see there is a lots of extension you can use. I use this one. Okay, so you can just select this set password for your browser and Chrome lock, just add to Chrome. So it will be add, just okay. So here you have to set the password. So I just set the password 123456 for a prevent this page for creating additional dialog. Okay, so it is closed now. Now if it is open, okay, it is closed now. If I try to open this page again, let me open. Okay, you can see, guys, if I when I reopen the Chrome browser, you can see it is asking password. So I need to enter my password, so it is opened. Okay, you can also change your password, your Chrome browser password. You need to just click on, just pin it first. You need to pin it. It will be like this, but go to the puzzle icon, go to the pin this extension, so it will be come up. Now just go there and go to the option, go to the options, and here you have to enter the old password and you can enter the new password and save it. Okay, the password has been saved and it is changed. Okay, so that is how you can also remove this extension. Just click on this extension, remove it, then your password will be removed. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.